Hey there, art enthusiasts. Welcome back to Art for Kids Sunday. Today we're going to learn how to draw a cute and easy cartoon popsicle. So grab your drawing tools and let's get started. So today I've got my sketching pencil that I usually use, which is a Kurotoga mechanical pencil. Got an eraser in case we make a mistake. It's my Mount Fuji eraser. And the colors we're going to be using today is black for our outline. I've got a green, a yellow, a light blue, a regular blue, and a pink and a red. So I'm not sure I'm going to be using all of these, but we'll just see what happens. So let's get started here. First off, to draw the popsicle, we're going to need to draw a kind of a rounded rectangle. So let's do that first. So the bottom is going to be kind of square, and if you want to, you could start off with just drawing a rectangle. Okay, and then we can fix this from now. What we can do is we can round the edge down here, and we can round the edge over here. Okay, kind of like that. And then the top is going to be more kind of pointed around in a way. So about like that is good. So you can take off these corners here. And then you can see the kind of shape that we're going for. So something about like that. Okay? So sketching the basic shape of the popsicle. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do another kind of a rounded rectangle here at the bottom for the stick. So we're going to come out. So just imagine that it was a rectangle again, but the bottom is going to be the curved part. So about like that. So there's our popsicle shape. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is maybe let's put in the eyes now. So we're going to do a circle here and another one over here. And then right in the middle, we're going to put a cute little smile on him. So about like that. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to leave a little circle here and a smaller circle down there and kind of put both of those just about in the same position on both sides. So we're going to, when we color the black in, we're going to make sure that we don't color those little bitty circles in the middle. That's going to signify our shiny eyes. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in the some details in it. This is going to be as if the popsicle is melting. So just draw a squiggly line. So start up here at the top somewhere. And we're just going to do something like this. Maybe like that. Okay, so that'll signify it melting. And then we're going to put in some more details here. We're going to do a circle here, and a smaller one here, and another small one here. And maybe like that. Maybe let's put one over here. So just some little details. And that is going to be just about it for our sketch. So let's do the coloring next. So actually, let's do the eyes next. Let's do that next. So take your black pencil or marker or whatever you have. Let's go over the eyes here. Okay, and then let's color them in, but remember to leave those two little circles you got right there. Don't color that part in. So this little one's kind of tough because it's so small. Okay. I think that's good. Yeah, I like it. Okay, same thing over here. Color it in, making sure that you go around those little circles that we left. Oh, you can't see too well, can you? Make this outline of it a little bit darker. Here we go. That's good. Okay, let's put his... I'm going to leave his mouth out right now because I want to get that color in there. So my popsicle color, I've decided I want to make him pink. So let's color that popsicle in. Hey, I'm going to speed up the video here and we'll catch you guys when we finish this coloring. Okay, we're back now. We got the pink part done for the top portion. Let me see. I think I wanted to do it kind of in a light, maybe this lighter blue color. So let's do the dripping part in this lighter blue color here. You want to make sure you want to go around those little circle details that you left in there. You don't want to color those in yet. Okay, well, that looks good. For our stick. I didn't think about that actually. Let's use this yellow here. Okay, that's good. All right, and then for these little details up here, I'm gonna do this big circle yellow, and we'll do one green. And let's do one red. And then over here on the right side, or the left side, we're gonna do this darker blue here. And just give it a little detail there and make it look like some sprinkles or something like that. Okay, let's go ahead and finish doing our outline in. So I'm going to put in the mouth. And there we go. And then let's do the outline of the popsicle here. Okay. That's good. And then let's outline this dripping part here. That looks good. Now our stick. Okay, and I don't know. Is this going to look good? Probably not. Well, my pencil's tip is not really thin enough to get a good outline on that. I could possibly go back over it with a black marker that might make it look a little bit better, but that right there, guys, is our finished product. Now, what you could do if you wanted to add a little more detail to it, imagine that the light was coming in from the top right corner here. That means the bottom side over here on the left would be in shadow. So what you could do is you could take your pink again, and you could color this side right here just a little bit darker than the rest of it. And that would kind of signify that there's a shadow over there on that side. So that just giving it a little bit more realism. And then on the yellow part here too, we could possibly take our black and very, very lightly do the same thing like we did over there. So kind of signifying a shadow right there on the bottom left corner of the stick. So just about like that. Okay, guys, that's doing it. I hope you did a good job on yours. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to post your pictures on Instagram, make sure you tag it with Art for Kids Sunday and Chamel Does Art so we can take a look at it. And other than that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Ring the little bell icon so you'll get a notification when we upload new videos. and also give the video a like. It's much appreciated. So I will see you again next Sunday with another Art for Kids Sunday. Take care, guys.